Good morning students. Welcome to your computer class again. Today we are starting our chapter number 3, Learn to use MS Access 2016. Before moving to the MS Access, first we have to learn what is data, what is database. First, what is data? Data simply refer to raw facts and figures. When data is processed for some meaning, it becomes information. Next is database. A collection of related tables with data is called database. There are some advantages of database are easy retrieval of data, easy sharing of data, high data security, reduction in data redundancy, reduction in data inconsistency, easy manipulation of data. Next, some examples in school, college and university, in industry and business, and in research also the database is used. There are mainly three types of databases. First is flat database. In this type of database, information is stored as a single file in a tabular form which has no relation with the other databases. Electronic spreadsheet is an example of flat database. Next is relational database. A relational database is a set of tables containing data fitted into some predefined categories. Each table contains one or more data categories in columns. Each row contains a unique instance of data for the categories defined by the columns. And the last one is distributed database. This type of databases are mainly used in a network environment where centralized database is distributed at multiple locations on the network so that different user can access it without interfering each other. Next heading is objects of database. The main objects of database is first is table. Table is a part of the database where the actual data is stored. Microsoft Access stores the related entries in its row. This row is called record. Each type of details in a record is stored in its column known as is field. Next object is query. A query is used to extract information from a database. The output of a query is a record or a group of records that fulfill a certain condition. Next object is form. A form reassembles the fill in the blank sheet that you fill completely by hand, such as a job application. Hence, a form is a way to enter data into the database. Microsoft Access links a form to a table and hence stores the information that you entered in the form into the table. And the last object is report. Just as forms are designed to be on screen, reports are designed to be printed. With Access, one can design the report quickly based on the data of the table. Next heading is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a popular relational database management system. It is one of the application software of Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Access is widely used for individual having small scale business within departments of large corporation and also used by hobby programmers to create customized systems for handling, creation and manipulation of data. In this, data is arranged in the form of tables. Every specific piece of information in a table is known as a value. Next, how to start Microsoft Access. To open Microsoft Access, first click the start button, second click all application and lastly click access option. Now, what are the main components of Access window? First is title bar. This is the topmost bar of the window and it displays the title of the application, that is Microsoft Access. It also contains minimize, maximize and close button. Next is ribbon. Ribbon replaces the traditional menus and toolbars. Ribbon is designed in a manner to quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. Ribbon is divided in two parts, tabs and groups. Next components is quick access toolbar. This is displayed on the title bar. This provides the icon or shortcuts for performing standard operations like save, undo, redo, etc. Next is file tab. It is the tab located in the upper left corner of the Microsoft Access 2016 screen. When you click File tab, you can see Microsoft Office Backstage View. Backstage View shows the set of commands used to manage database like creating, saving, opening, printing, etc. Next component is Navigation pane. When you open a database or create a new one, the names of your database objects appear in the navigation pane. The database objects include table, forms, reports, page, macros, and modules. It replaces the database window used by earlier version of Access. Next component is tabbed document. Microsoft Access 2016 displays your database object in tabbed document instead of overlapping windows. And the last component is status bar. Status bar is displayed at the bottom of the main Microsoft Access window. This shows the status of any process in the database. So class, today we discuss what is data, what is database, what are the advantages of database, what are the objects of database, what is Microsoft Access, how to open Microsoft Access, and what are the components of the Microsoft Access. Next we will learn in the next class. Thank you class for watching.